if you accidentally removed or blocked a friend on Snapchat, here's the quickest way to add them back. So first you have to open up your Snapchat, hit the profile icon in the top left and choose settings. Now keep scrolling until you see blocked under the privacy control section. Tap that and you will see a list of all the people you have blocked. Now to unblock someone, just hit the cross next to their name and then confirm by selecting yes when the pop-up shows up. Now that your friend is unblocked. Now to add them back, go back to the camera screen, hit the add friend icon. Now type your friend's username in the search bar. Once their profile shows up, go ahead and press add to make them your friend again. And just like that, you have sent them friend request again. And if you accidentally remove someone, you will need to search for them and add them again the same way. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.